Hi, welcome back to Loving Living Local. Today we're here at Hoffman Law in North Charleston with David Hoffman. How are you?
Hi, Libby. Thanks for having me. I'm doing well.
Good. So tell me a little bit about you and your law firm.
My name's David Hoffman. I grew up here. I was born in the upstate, but I moved to Charleston when I was maybe 5 or 6. I started at Orange Grove, then I actually went to Wando for high school. Then I was graduated from the Citadel. And then I went off to law school and came right back. Couldn't wait to get back. I am definitely a local.
Mm-hmm. So what made you want to become a lawyer?
Well, I think that was kind of always in my plan. There was always just something kind of special about it. Like when I was a little kid, I used to love Perry Mason, and I would love, kind of the mental exercise that always seemed to go along with being a lawyer, tricking the defendant into, confessing on the stand.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it, So I think it was just kind of always in the plan. Plus, I didn't take enough biology to pass the MCAT, so I knew.
So it just kind of worked out.
It had to be law. It wasn't going to be anything else. So yeah, and Hoffman Law Firm is my pride and joy. We started in 2007. We have a number of lawyers here now. We are trial lawyers, so we do, anytime an insurance company doesn't pay a claim they're supposed to, we step in. So that could be anywhere from if you're hurt at work with South Carolina workers' comp. That's actually how I started. I was a workers' comp lawyer, still am, with a primary area of practice. But I also do auto wrecks, slip and falls, trucking accidents, catastrophic injuries. We've got experience with all of it.
Being from Charleston, what do you think you bring to help with clients coming in?
Well, a lot of my clients are locals, and a lot of my clients actually went to high school with me. And if they didn't go to high school, we played football against each other, And so there's just kind of a local flavor here because all of my lawyers are from right around here. And all of my staff is from right around here. We have a lot of law firms moving into Charleston recently that are from out of state. They're just kind of coming here because they view Charleston as a market. I view Charleston as home, and I believe that is a big difference. I'm not a law firm out of Florida saying I'm the biggest in the world, and I'm a Charleston native. I grew up here, and we are a Charleston local law firm. Another thing, when somebody says, yeah, I was working at Boeing, or I was working at Bosch, or I got in an accident at the corner of Phosphate and Dorchester, I know exactly where that is. I've been to that intersection 100 times. It kind of gives me a perspective that perhaps someone from out of state doesn't necessarily have.
For clients looking for someone to represent them, why should they choose you?
We are very aggressive here. We don't let cases just sit around. I've known of cases to go years and years. That is not us. That is not us. We want to get it moving, and we're also not afraid to go to trial. So a lot of times if insurance companies, they know, well, they're not going to ever file suit, so we'll just underpay. Well, they know that we'll file suit, and they know that we'll take it to trial, and our success rate is great. So that kind of helps us in other ways to, just to kind of get the most we can for our clients, and that's really what our goal is.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you for having me. Yeah, it was nice meeting you as well.